Welcome. In this video we will see how to make a box whisker plot in Excel. So let's start. First you need to select the whole data range. You can select it by Ctrl Shift down arrow. It will select the whole data range, and after selecting it, click on Inserts from the tab, click Recommended Charts and click on All Charts. You will see different type of chart formats here. From this you need to select box and whisker. Click on OK. This will create your box whisker plot, but the whisker plot isn't ready yet. You need to format it from so in order to do it, select on the whiskers, right click on it, format data series, and click on inclusive median. This will include the quartile calculations to your whisker plot. And we also want to see the values in the whisker plot. In order to do it, we need to select the data labels from the plus sign. This will show our values in the plot, and we also need to format these values as well. Select on these values, right click on it, format data labels, select numbers. In the category we'll select number for our data, and we don't want to see any decimal place values, so we'll give it a 0 and click enter. So this is how you can create a box whisker plot. You can name your plot also from here, and color your values as well as you like. For testing the measures in the box whisker plot, we have already calculated some measures to central tendency, related to central tendency and dispersion. So we can see that this cross value representing the mean matches our calculated mean. This value is median 21, and this lower value is representing the first quartile. The lowest whisker is the minimum value. This is the third quartile, and we can see there are some outliers which is 75 and 60 as well. So I hope this video was informative to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.